Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, we were discussing about the newest yet the most effective form of astrology, which is DNA astrology. Today we are going to talk about Libra, Tula Bhava. There are 12 houses in our horoscope, in our Vedic Janma Kundli. So each house, there is some sign which occupies, some zodiac sign which occupies that house. Now wherever Libra or Tula Rashi occupies the house in the Kundli, that particular area of life, it will be like a give and take relationship. Because the symbol of Tula Rasi, Libra, is that of a weighing balance, or what we call a tarazu. Okay, the weighing balance. Tarazu, which we call in Hindi. Okay. So this signifies that you have to give something to receive something. For example, if Tula Bhava, Tula Rasi, occupies in the first house, first Bhava. First house is related to self, soul, body. Okay? So unless you spend some time on your body, working out in a gym, for yoga, for meditation, for some physical enduring task, you won't get any gains out of your body. If the Libra occupies in the second house, if the Lagna is Virgo, Kanya, and Libra goes in the second house is that of income. So when it comes to income and earning money, unless you don't give away something, you won't receive the benefits of that house. It could be emotional, giving away yourself emotionally, mentally, spiritually, or in a materialistic manner. Unless you don't give something, you won't receive something, as the Tula Libra signifies the weighing balance or the tarazu. If it's in the fourth house, okay, fourth house is property, movable, immovable assets, vehicles. So when it comes to these matters, unless you don't give something, you won't get something. If it comes in the seventh house of marriage, partnership, again, you have to make some big sacrifice, or some, you have to give away some important portion of yours to get something in return. If it's in the 10th house of career, on the career front, unless you don't give something, you won't receive something. So likewise, there are 12 houses. Each of the houses signifies something or the other. But wherever Libra house, Libra Bhava will occupy the chart, in that area of life, unless and until you don't give something, you won't receive anything. So that was it regarding Tula Libra Bhava according to DNA astrology. यदि आप अपनी जन्म पत्रिका दिखाना चाहते हैं, अच्छे क्वालिटी के जेमस्टोन्स चाहते हैं, या पूजा पाठ आदि कोई शुभ मांगलिक कार्य करवाना चाहते हैं, तो संपर्क करें हमारे महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर में. मेरा नंबर है 9503596761. देखते रहिए मेरे वीडियोस महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे. थैंक्स अ लॉट.